In Pakistan, National Command and Operation Center has decided to close all the educational institutions from Thursday. G20 leader expressed determination for fair distribution of COVID-19 vaccine. The United States has formally withdrawn from the Treaty on Open Skies. In Nigeria, 9 people were reportedly killed when Boko Haram terrorists targeted a convoy belonging to Borno State. The United Nations has planned to hold 2-day Afghan Ministerial Plugging Conference from today at Geneva. In the Gaza Strip, the experts have warned that the territory healthcare system will be overwhelmed within days. Taliban attack killed 6 security forces members in Afghanistan. In Myanmar, a newly elected parliamentarian of the ruling party has been shot dead by an unidentified gunman.